बहुत ज़रूरी है। ये हमारा मेरे ख्याल से दुनिया में शायद कोई कंट्री नहीं होगी जहाँ नहीं पहुँचा है। मून पर्वत का है, इसमें मून है पूरा ये है। और जब ये मैंने अंधेरे में हम ट्राइपॉड लेके होते जैसे ही
And editing should happen after the creation. Both simultaneously should not happen. So you are clicking and checking, you are missing the eye contact. Whether it's an animal or it's a man, or it's a machine. Once you are shooting, you check out, the aperture, the speed, and the depth of field. Correct. This is what I want. Then close your eyes and shoot. Don't check out every time. Don't miss that eye contact, whether it is a living animal, human being, or something which is a subject. Because human mind is not meant for creation and negation together. Creation happens one time, negation happens another. So when you are sitting on a computer table or when you are editing your pictures, then your negation comes. This is not right, this is bad, this is